Alright, today I'm going to show you how to create an invoice for your business within Excel. Now there are plenty of Excel videos out there showing you how to manually create an invoice. What I'm going to do is show you a much better and faster way in creating an invoice for your business, rather than manually formatting and creating one on your own. So basically what you need to do is open up Excel. When you go up to the File ribbon here and hit New, down here at the search bar, just go ahead and search invoice. And there are plenty of different invoice templates that you can choose from. Find one that best fits you. We'll just select this first one here and we'll go ahead and hit create. That's going to bring up this new worksheet. This particular template has a bunch of instructions here in this column, but here in these columns here we have our invoice. Now there is something very important you need to clarify before you use this template as it is. We'll go ahead and just delete that entire section here, leaving us with just our invoice, and we can see, well, hey, we can change the name here, we can change the invoice number, date, the bill to, the description, all these things, which looks like this template has some formulas built in to multiply or add up the quantity and unit price to give you the total amount, then totaling that here at the bottom. You could then change your email and phone number here for any questions. But the biggest thing you need to make sure you're doing when you're using an invoice template is you need to make sure that it's going to print properly. So in order to view how it's going to print, you can go up to the view ribbon here and select page layout. And now based on how we have it formatted, it's going to cut our invoice into 2 pages, which we don't want. We just want 1 page of invoices. So what we can do is manipulate this a little bit. One thing we can notice is that this column is super wide and doesn't need to be. So we can maybe shorten that column a little bit until the entire invoice is on 1 page like so.
If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're really feeling up for it.
Now scrolling down to the bottom, we'll notice that this kind of gets cut off into another page as well. So we can maybe just delete these 2 columns here, bringing that up. Now, when we go to the File Print option here, it's going to give us another preview of how the invoice is going to look. So we can then go back in and manipulate a couple of other things or do whatever we want until it looks like the invoice we want to give to our customer. But there you have it. That's how you can get an invoice ready for your business without having to manually create one yourself. Just look up a template, find one that you like, and just manipulate it how you want until it looks like what you need. And there you have it. That's how you can create an invoice for your business. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.